installing both flex and grain. So when we turn up, meet the customer, go inside and find out the spacings of the floor joists so we can install the bow flex. We've got to install the ties externally. We've got to find the centre of the joists. In a perfect world, these joists would have the same centres installed the same, but they're not. So we've got to measure every single one to find the centre of the joists. All I'm doing here is trying to work out a datum so that I can find this floor joist on the outside of the wall. So what I'm doing is measuring the window frame to find the corner of the actual brickwork, the masonry on side that window frame, and then measure back to that joist, and we've got a datum to find that joist from the external. Yeah, so basically, the drill, if we see a drill come through the wall, we're in trouble. It means our measurements are not right. So where we've hit the timbers, we're spot on. So each one of them's been done with no problem. Next stage is to install the ties. So we'll put them in dry. Make sure the measurements are right, because we need a minimum of 50mm embedment of the tie into the actual floor joists themselves. So we'll go along and check every single one, cut them down if we need to, and then hopefully install. The resin, if you look here, so that will fill the hole around the bar that's been installed, which then gives you the mechanical fixing between the floor joist and the masonry on the external. Gather in the brick dust, so when we resin them, we can flick the brick dust back over the resin that we've installed the bar, so it's the same colour. So we've installed 16 Bowflex ties, end grain, externally. So we've gone from the outer leaf and hit the end of the joist, floor joist, in 16 positions. They are resined into the masonry with an 8mm bar going through from the masonry to the framework of the floor through the end grain. And then we finished off with a bit of natural brick dust from what we've drilled out, and then we've had to tidy up. Yes, good for a Monday.